Okay, so our trip is we are going to go all the way up to the U.S.-Canada border, going through Kansas, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, coming back down through Idaho and Montana, Utah, Wyoming. Going to see several things, but we are going to camp in the bed. We are going to bring our hammock, our dual hammock, just in case, but this is going to be our hotel room for the whole trip, more like an overland camping type deal. And I'm going to create a skeleton for a shelter over the bed of this Jeep, and I'm using PVC pipe. I'm going to get right to it. I think I'm going to build it to 5-foot specs at the top of the apex to see how much room that gives us, because I can always shorten it, but I can't really extend it. I mean, I can with more pieces, but who wants to do that? Run another ridge pole right through here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in the middle, and I'm going to create 2 ridge beams. And I'm going to do the same thing over here to where it's all cross members, to where it can carry, should be able to carry the weight of any snow. See, and then I can create a cross beam to go up there and hit the top. Fucked up. 40 and a half, but they're based off from here. Okay, y'all, we're back. I had to get some parts. You know, we've got some of these 45-degree angle ones, like on the front up there. And this basically a ridge line pole and cut it short, attach this 3-way. So now we've got part of this side done. Now I'm going to cut a little piece right here. Basically, I'll connect 2 more 3-ways, just like that. Once we're out there, I'm going to take some ratchet straps and I'm going to ratchet strap it down on both sides, right here and here, so it don't go nowhere. Because who wants a flying tent or shelter? Both sides. I'm gonna do it again over her. Yeah, I tried this years ago when my wife and I went camping on the river. It didn't work out too well.
It was so horrible.
The plan was sound though, and I will stick to that, as you can tell. But I've learned from my mistakes, So yeah, boom. Okay. Let me go get other ratchet strap. Boom. This is what we are going to be sleeping in for 10 days for our 10th wedding anniversary. Guh, made it a decade with me. What?
I can't believe it.
And then on top of that, we do have extra, technically, cordage. Who knows what we can use it for? May even be able to use it to take through the loopholes on the tarp and bring it on down, stake it down, and just use these. Still got quite a bit of slack. So obviously the loops are on the wrong side. We'll fix that when we put it up, because I can still take the loops depending on where we're at, and I can pull them back to give us just a little bit of space if need be. But the more space we have in here, the more space we got to heat up. So we're going to be in Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, Utah. Their April is a whole lot different than Louisiana's April. First night we leave, we're headed straight to Dodge City.
Dodge City, here we come. Pew, pew, pow, pow.
Now you may wonder, some of y'all are probably going, he is not going to put that together back the same way. I'm fixing to go get a Sharpie, and I'm fixing to start numbering and lettering. So I'm going to bring our air mattresses. I'm going to bring the heating blankets. A fire right in this area right here to cook and heat as well. Have one heating blanket coming off. Have another one in here to kick it on up in here for us. Is it April yet?